Hi, welcome back. Today I'm going to present you a beautiful property in one of the most desirable areas in Weston, a gated community called Savanna. So I hope you enjoy my tour. Today I'm going to show you what can you get for $1,159,000 here in Savanna in Weston Florida. Look at this beautiful property. Okay, that property is located in Nandina Drive. So check this out. This is an amazing street. This is a beautiful condominium, one of the largest condominiums here in Weston. And guess what? Savanna has one of the biggest clubhouse there is. I think is rated like probably top 1 among all the communities. This is formal dining. Look how much light is coming to this beautiful property. Property features a fenced backyard, extended patio, pool, water views, 6 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms, and one of the bedrooms is downstairs, which is incredible. 2-car garage. This will be the cabana bathroom that serves the pool, and this is a very convenient room right here because if you have your in-laws, if you want to use it as an office, it's downstairs, so it's perfect. This is one of the most beautiful views you can ever see. You have the best of both worlds. You have a pool, you have a lake view, and you have no neighbors. The property is 3,210 square feet under air, and the property lot is huge. You have plenty of space for an amazing outdoor area, barbecue. You can make a pergola, you can have a gazebo, and this is super private. That is Saddle Club Road, and it's gonna take you, if you make to the right, it's gonna take you to the regional park.